Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make glowing ads text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm going to go to library and add this black background template here, and then I'm going to add text, for example, and then just for size like this, and export, for example, click export, and then you can delete this play and go to media and click import and select that's created just right here and add glow effect here. You can adjust for glow like this. So that's how to make glowing ads text effect on CapCut for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation. Bye bye.